Have you ever wondered how animals lead? Let's explore leadership through animal behavior. A remarkable concept awaits that can transform your management style. Understanding pack dynamics can elevate your team's effectiveness. Leadership isn't just for humans. Animal groups like wolves and primates offer vital lessons. These species provide insights that apply directly to team dynamics in organizations. First, let's look at hierarchical structures in wolf packs. Each wolf has a defined role. There's an alpha leader, beta followers, and subordinates. This hierarchy creates order and defines responsibility. Similarly, teams need clear roles and responsibilities for success. Next, observe communication strategies. Wolves use vocalizations and body language. This allows for quick coordination. In teams, effective communication encourages collaboration and reduces misunderstandings. Now, let's connect these lessons to team management. Establish clear roles within your team. Make sure every member understands their expected contributions. This clarity fosters accountability and drives performance. Encourage open communication. Create platforms for sharing ideas and feedback. Regular check-ins and meetings can enhance team cohesiveness. Consider an example: a sports team. The coach sets roles and facilitates discussions. Players work together, leveraging their strengths. This mirrors the dynamics in a wolf pack, where each member's contribution leads to success. In summary, pack dynamics provide powerful tools for team management. Establishing roles fosters accountability. Prioritizing communication cultivates teamwork. Want to elevate your leadership skills? Start applying these principles today. Review your team's structure and enhance communication. Subscribe for more insightful videos like this. Together, let's explore leadership through new perspectives.